Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
What's up, Key Nation? It's your girl KEEKS JANEE, and I am back with another freaking video. Today's video, as you can already tell by the title, is going to be a I guess you say unbagging, but unboxing my I think it's, I don't know how to say it, but it's my, I just ordered a sweat vest thing, and I always wanted one, but I never got around to ordering it because like I wasn't sure like if it actually works, and I wasn't sure like which one to get. I wasn't sure who to get it from. But then I came across this video of like this girl, she had a before and after I was like her results, and I was like, okay sis. So I was like, let me order it, and I ordered from the same exact people. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. You heard me. Of course I had to get the color pink, but it's come in this little Amazon bag because that's where I got it from. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to go like this. I meant to go like this, Okay, so it comes in this packaging. YIANNA. YIANNA? What do you think I say? YIANNA or YIANNA? Oh, YIANNA. YIANNA. This sweat vest is from YIANNA. So let's open it up. I'm excited. So this is what it looks like. So you know, you got the zipper part up here, and then you got the part that you strap together. Actually, I'm about to try it on because I wasn't sure what size to get, but I saw like a lot of people getting their shirt size, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna try it on. I'm hot already just thinking about this. Maybe I should move my weave out the way. Look at it.
Really, nigga?
Bear with me while I get this zipped up here correctly. Do you want to help? I kind of broke the zipper part a little bit. Like, you know how like it gets off the thing, off the track. So, oh, I think it's stuck in here. Okay guys, so I am now back. We had some technical difficulties, but we were able to zip it up and strap this over. So far, I know this is kind of weird because like my face isn't in the camera, but I guess I could just raise it up. Here I am with the vest, and I like it. Let's see if you can. Listen, I'm trying to show it to y'all, but it's not really working out how I want it to because I can't get all the right angles. So this is the vest. So far, I don't feel like I'm suffocating or anything. Like my tits are actually just bigger than I thought they were. You know, but it's very stretchy. It's like stretchy material. I low-key will wear this to work. Cause like, why not? You know, get a head start. It does slim you like all the way down. Cause I have a waist trainer. I have two waist trainers, and I have like a sweatband, which is pretty much just like the bottom half. But I wanted something that like went all the way, like got everything sis. And what's her name? YIANNA. She knew what she was doing when she made this sweater vest, and she may not be the first person to do this, but she's the most popular one that I've been hearing about, and that's how I came about to putting it on. I think I'm gonna start working out tomorrow, not tonight, because I gotta edit this video and I have stuff to do. Like, I just don't feel like doing it tonight, but tomorrow I will, because I'm off on Thursday, and I think I'm gonna work out again Thursday. So I just gotta come up with like a makeup routine, so that way, I mean, not a makeup routine, a workout routine, because my birthday is in 6 months, so it's time to get it together, boo. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.
Wanna go bite me on the beat, bite me, bite me on the beat, bite bitches wanna go bite me on the beat, bite me, bite me, bitches wanna be.